Video conferencing apps really took center stage during the pandemic. If you're part of a team in your company, chances are, you've used Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet more than once in the past couple of months. There is one video conferencing app, however, that is most often overlooked for personal use but is truly powerful and convenient, especially if you own a Google Home speaker or display. Meet Google Duo. Duo offers end-to-end encryption, a group calling limit of 32, and a knock-knock feature, which allows the receiver to see a live video of the caller before answering. With this, you don't have to waste your mobile data on voice or video calls. Heck, you don't even need your phone because you just need to ask your Google Home to call your family and friends. Now let's set it up. Before we proceed though, please make sure that you and your contacts have installed Google Duo on your smartphones. I will assume that you have already set up your Google Home device using the Google Home app. If not, please set it up first before you continue watching the video. Now that you're ready, let's set up Google Duo calling in Google Home. 1. Open the Google Home app. 2. Click on Settings. 3. Choose Communication. 4. Tap on Video and Voice apps. 5. Set up your Google Duo account if you haven't done so yet. 6. Choose the Google Home devices that you want to work with Duo. And that's it. You can now call your family and friends through your Google Home speaker or display just by asking your Google Home device. Do this and more when you connect your Google Home to our smart devices. We hope you enjoyed this week's Smart Home video. To learn more about smart devices, please visit our site, www.SMARTLIVING.PH. We post weekly videos on home automation and smart home tips. Click subscribe so you won't miss any of them. Be smart. Live smart.